Okay, so let's start with this question. So today's question is calculate money in Leetcode Bank. Okay, so the question says Hershey wants to save money for his first car. He puts money in the Leetcode Bank every day. Okay, what is the question? He starts by putting in $1 on Monday, the first. Okay, so Monday has to be taken as first day. Okay. Now every day from Tuesday to Sunday, he will put in $1 more than day before. Okay. So for example, if he put $1 in Monday, then Tuesday will put $2, and on Wednesday we'll put $3, and so on. Okay. All right. Now on every subsequent Monday. Okay. So like after Sunday, the next Monday will come, right? So the like on every subsequent Monday, he will put in $1 more than the previous Monday. Okay. So basically, if on the first Monday it is $1, then he will put $2. Okay. All right. And I think the sequence will go on. Like after Tuesday, if this is second Monday, right, and he has put in $2 because this is the second Monday. Then on Tuesday we'll put $3. Okay, and Wednesday $4, and so on. So we have to find. Okay, this is we have given n, and we have to return the total amount of money he will have in the lead code bank at the end of nth day. Okay, so this is the question. So let's see some examples. Okay, let's see this third example. Okay, see here n equals to 20. Now this is the first week. Okay, this is the first week. It's simple. It's like the first week is simple. Here we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 because there are 7 days, and on every day the money is increasing by 1 as compared to the previous day, right? Now, in the second week, if we see in the second week, this is the second week, right? Here it is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. Now, see, in this second week, okay, if we compare the second week and the first week, what is the difference here? The difference is there are like there is $1 more on the corresponding day. Like if we see the day two, which is Tuesday, here it is $2, but here it is $3, right? And similarly, if we say see the day four, which is I think Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so on Thursday, the fourth day, it is like 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, it is 5. Okay, so $1 more than previous week. Okay, now see, n is equals to 20, right? So there should be 2 weeks and 6 days. Okay, there is not complete 3 weeks because n is equals to 20, right? So on the third week, you can see there are 6 days. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And again, okay, the difference between the third week and second week is that on the corresponding day, there is $1 more than the previous day of the day of the previous week. Okay, all right. So how we'll do the question? Okay, first of all, here we can see there are some mathematical calculations. Like you can see here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7. We have to find the sum of n numbers right here. Okay, why I'm telling to you? What we can solve here is okay how the approach which we will be using in while solving the question. See, here it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Here it is 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so here simply, what is this? This is simply, this is simply 1 plus 1, then 2 plus 1, then 3 plus 1, then plus 4 plus 1, then 5 plus 1, then 6 plus 1, then 7 plus 1. It means we are adding 1 to the all the days, like all the numbers. Okay, so I can write this as 7 plus this. Okay, I can write this as this plus this. Okay, I can write this as 7 plus this term. Okay, why? Because there are 7 days. Okay, so we are adding 1 7 times. Okay, 7 times means we are adding one in this two, basically in this one, in this two, this three and four. So we are adding one 7 times. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so we are adding the one 7 times. So first of all, we will find the total number of complete weeks. Okay, the total number of complete weeks and the number of days in the incomplete week. Okay, so how we can find this? Simply, we will write in end week. Okay, end week week equals to n percentage 7, not n percentage 7, and divide by 7. This will by this we can find the total number of complete week. Okay, and int days. Okay, these are the incomplete. Basically, these are the days which will be in the incomplete week. So this will be n percentage 7, right? The remainder. Okay, we are now see here what we'll do. See, we can see first of all we have to find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Basically, we have to find the sum of n digits. Okay, so for here I will make a function. Okay, function int sum. Okay, int sum, and from int n, right? So very simple, right? We will return n into n plus 1, right? N into n plus 1 by 2. Yes or no? This is basic formula of AP, right? If you studied in your previous classes in last 8th, 9th, 10th, right? Like you will get to know this is what this is formula is. Okay, so this is the sum of n terms. All right. See now. First of all, we have to find the sum of seven, like 1 to 7, 1 to 7. So we'll write ints. I will write here. Let's name the variable int money. Okay, int money 1. All right, you can write m1. Okay, and m1 is equals to what? Sum of sum of 7 days, right? Sum of 7. Okay, understood. Okay, so see, we have to add this. We have to add this what? 1 and 2. Why? Because here only two complete weeks, right? So we'll write here into 2, right? Okay. Now see what? Now what we have to add? Now we have to add how many times we have to add this. Like if there was another complete week, then we have to add another 7. But here the 7 is added 2 times. See, here is 3. Why 3? Because we have added 1 plus 2. Similarly, 2 plus 2, which is 4, right? So we have added 7. How many times we have added 7? See, one time here we have not added 7. Here we have added 7 one time, right? And here if this was were okay, sorry, if this were a complete week, then we will here add the 7. What? We will add 7. How many times? How many times? We will add 7 uh, 3 times, right? Not 6, 2 times here. Because here we will add 7 1 time. So here we will add 7 3 times. Okay. So now what will I write? I will write here int 7. How many times like we have to add int s. Okay, int s is equals to what? Int s is equals to 7 common, 7 should be common into sum of what? Sum of n numbers. Okay, and which is what? If there are 2 weeks, then we have just added 1 times 7, right? So I will write it as week minus 1. Okay. 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 So we have added all the complete weeks. Okay. We have uh in this way, right? In this way, this is the basically int m1. The sum of m1 and s will be the money in the complete weeks. Now, what about this incomplete weeks? Okay, we have to also take care of this incomplete weeks. Okay, so see, here we know how many days by this. Okay, we know there are how many days. Now, simply, it will be days. See, it will be days plus 7. How many times we have to add 7? Basically, here we have to add 7. What? a week times, because there are uh okay, just a second. 2 minus 1. Oh, just a second. Yeah, I think I have done a mistake here. I will not add week minus 1. We have to add week, because 7 had have added 1. Okay, no, no. Okay. It is okay. So week plus 1. Okay. So week. Okay, week time. Because here we have to, yeah, we are adding 7 two times, because we are adding here 14. Okay. Not no, not adding, not we are not adding 7. We are adding just how many days? 6. There are 6 days. So we are adding 6. Okay. So it will be basically in incomplete. Okay, incomplete. So in equals to what it will be? It will be sum of 6 days. Okay. So incomplete days. So sum of days into what? It is 6, right? So 6 into day. Okay. Okay, and I think we have to do here plus 1 or not? See, we have to add here 6 three times, right? And yeah, we should do plus 1. Yes, yes, we should do. No, no, okay, I'm adding plus. Sorry for yum. Not this, not this. We have to add this, right? Plus, uh, yeah, okay, plus 6 into days. Yeah. Now, similarly, we will return the answer, which will be return M1 plus S plus I in. Okay, let's see if we are correct or not. Mistake, 98. Okay, what is mistake? Let's see the mistake. Sum of 7. Okay, okay. Then I think here it's a mistake. Let's see. This was a mistake. No, not a mistake. Okay. Complete week minus 1. Okay, yeah, why have I should, uh, mm, 7 into complete week minus 1. Complete week is 2 minus 1. Okay, because we are adding 7. uh, 7 into, okay, this is 7. This should be 7 plus, I think, right? 7, no, 7. Just a second. I'm adding here. I got, see, the this question, like I'm doing first time. Okay, and I'm making the video while doing this question. Okay, I didn't see the question prior. Okay, so that is why like I'm doing some mistakes here. Okay, let's see what is the mistake. Okay, I will not cut. I will not do any cut in any edit in this video. This video will be uploaded raw. Okay. Okay, so I'm adding the week first of all. Sum of, okay, m1 sum of n into 2. Okay, okay, this is a mistake. By adding this not should this this not should be 2. Okay, it should be 1 2. Okay, which is week, right? Week. Okay, this was a mistake. Okay, let's see now. Then also getting again some mistake. Okay, now this is as it is 7 into, now we have to add. Here 0, here 7. Now here, so 7, 7 common, and this, if there is one 0 week, okay, here, if there is 0 week, okay, what about the 0 week, right? Then there is not any week, right? So answer should be, okay. 7 sum of week minus 1. No, that should be 0, right? Because 0 should be 0, I think. Okay, okay. Now it should be, if there is 1 week, so 0. Yeah, now it is correct. We are adding 7 how many times? Only here we are adding 7 only one time, right? Here, see, one time. Okay. So we are adding 7 one time. It means 2 minus 1. And sum of 1 is 1 only, right? Yeah. So only 1, so okay, 1 minus 7. Now this is nothing mistake. This is 6. Okay, 6 plus how many times? 6. Sum of days. Okay, these are remaining days, which is 6. Okay, remainder is 6. Okay, so 6. 1 plus is 6. Okay, so 6 plus how many times we are adding 1? How many times I'm adding 1, right? I'm adding 1 here. Okay, so I'm adding not 1. Okay, I'm adding 1. How many times? 2 times, right? So, okay. So no, I'm writing here 6, but I should write here week. Okay, this is not week, so days. Here is a mistake. Okay, so day into what? Okay, so days plus days. Okay. Days into week minus only week only. Okay, this I think was mistake. Yes, yeah. See, this was a mistake, and the question is done. Okay. So sorry for like this long video. This question was very short, but yeah, because I have to basically upload very raw video. That's why there wouldn't be any edit. Okay, so please you can, like, if you don't want to show the see the errors and see the incorrect solution. Okay, you can skip the those parts of the video. Okay, then bye.